Hey everyone, Bobby here with SEO Secrets. Hope y'all are doing well. Today is Thursday. I am stuck in traffic in Atlanta. If any of y'all have ever been through Atlanta at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, you know exactly what I am dealing with here. So I am not moving very fast at all, so plenty of time to get this episode in. So what I want to talk about here very quickly is the latest update that I have found. I know it came out actually a couple weeks ago, but it is the keyword search query data that is now showing on your Google My Business dashboard. So this is extremely important and extremely relevant, and it in my view, in my perspective, it shows it allows us to see into and determine a couple of key insights and behaviors of your customers, the way people are searching, search behavior, if you will. I think it speaks volumes to the not even the future of search, but obviously this is keyword search data. For example, you can look at the last 1 month of data. It's showing you how people are searching right now to find or to connect with your Google My Business listing. And your Google My Business listing, of course, is the property that shows up in the Google Maps search results or the Google local search results. So it's not even the future that we're talking about, it's what's happening right now. So you can find your keyword search query data by going to your Google My Business dashboard, and then on your dashboard you'll see the Insights tab. Click on the Insights, and we manage a lot of locations for clients. And we are at various levels added to the Google My Business list. There are clients' GMB listings. I have found that if you are not an owner level on the GMB listing, you may not see the keyword search data. So I have found that only the listings that I am actually an owner on, status of owner, that those are the ones where I'll see the keyword search data. So anyway, go to your GMB dashboard, click on Insights on the left-hand column, and you should see, as long as you are looking at a GMB listing that you are an owner status on, you will see the keyword data. And again, those are the keyword phrases that people are searching to find your GMB listing. So it's an amazing update, amazing insights into the kind of the world of search behavior, the way people are searching and finding your listing. So a couple of key takeaways from this data. So number one, to the positive side, the momentum side, if you see keyword phrases that are highly relevant to your business, let's say, for example, you are, and I don't know, I'm just going to pick one randomly. Let's say you are an electrician in San Antonio, Texas. If you go to your keyword search data and you see the top searches that have the most volume, right? The top 10 searches, if they are all related to electrician or electrician services in San Antonio, then you have positive momentum. You're doing the right things with your local SEO, with your Google My Business and your local SEO and Google Maps strategy, right? However, if you see keyword data and you don't have anything, let's say, for example, you're looking at the keyword data and all of your keyword data is showing, if you have 10 searches or less, it just shows the less than sign in 10. So if you don't have any keyword data showing more than 10 searches, then that is an opportunity. That's telling you you need to improve the presence of your GMB listing and search, or your top keyword phrases are not relevant to your business or your location or your products and services. If one of those two things are happening, that is a clear signal that it's an opportunity. You need to improve the location authority of your GMB listing, which means you need to start taking steps, start taking action to increase the location authority of your presence in search. right? So that's number one. Number two, looking at the keyword data of our clients, I've noticed some interesting trends. Number one, the near me searches are all over the place. So of the top 10 keyword phrases, and I guess I could like audit all of our clients and come up with a specific number, but looking at over 50 of them now, I would say that it's anywhere between 30 to 50% of the top 10 searches are or include the phrase near me. So again, sticking with electrician in San Antonio, the search phrase would be something like electrician near me or electrician services near me, right? So the near me searches are huge, a huge presence. And what that also tells me is that, and we already know this, we already know that today, 1 out of 4 searches are done on a mobile phone. So 25% right now. It's actually more likely to be in the 30% range, right? And it even gets more dramatic, and depending on what industry you look at. I know that in the medical industry, in the medical space, medical providers in the local markets, that over 60% of searches are voice search, right? So people are simply pulling out their phones and they're saying pediatrician near me, or hey Siri, I need a pediatrician, or in the medical space more specifically, they will be searching for the practitioner, right? They actually know the doctor's name, so it's actually both. But to me, the near me searches also point to the prominence of voice search. And then number two, along with voice search, is you'll see these long question queries, right? Like, for example, who are the best electricians that can fix my light socket, right? That's a long phrase, long statement question. When you see things like that, you also you can also assume very confidently that those are voice queries, right? People don't typically sit and type that, especially on a mobile phone, right? That's something that somebody would say, hey Google, who are the best electricians that can fix my light socket? Or hey Siri, same statement, who are the best electricians who can fix my light socket, right? So it's very easy to speak that into a phone. So those are some very interesting trends that I have seen in the search query data, and it's a new feature. It's been out, I think, since the beginning of July, and we are now starting to dive into it. I'm starting to look through all of our clients' locations, all their GMBs, and it's just fascinating to me to finally have insight into this data, into really the mind of the searcher, right? And we service clients across all different types and sizes of industries and all different types and sizes of locations. So it's really fascinating to be able to see that data, see how people are searching to find you, and to use that data to your advantage, right? To look at it, where do I need to focus on building location authority, or do I have some really great keyword phrases that are driving traffic? What can I do to build momentum and to keep capitalizing on that? So check it out. Go to your GMB dashboard, go to Insights. Again, need to be an owner level on it, and you should see the keyword search query data sitting there. So I want to, before I end the episode, I want to, number one, invite you, if you like this podcast, want to encourage you, or I'd like to ask you to go to iTunes and leave us a rating and a review. It would really help us out to get some feedback from you, the listener. And then number two, I have created a Facebook group to help supplement, basically to be a discussion forum for this podcast. So you can go to Facebook, search SEO Secrets, which is the name of the podcast, SEO Secrets. So the Facebook group is SEO Secrets, and look for this crazy orange and black starburst looking icon, and that is the Facebook group. Go ahead and join that Facebook group, and once you join, you can ask questions, share other experiences or other tips that you might have, And we just look forward to continuing the conversation from these episodes. So that's it. We will talk to you next time. Thanks.